Are you ready to step into a world where technology meets limitless possibilities? Welcome to Official Tech Expert, where we unveil the most mind-blowing tech tools that will transform the way you live, work, and play. Game-changing tools that will leave you speechless. Get ready for a thrilling journey through the future of technology. Subscribe to Official Tech Expert and prepare to be blown away. AnySummary.app. Prepare to be amazed by an extraordinary AI tool called AnySummary.app. This remarkable tool has the power to summarize any type of file you can imagine, from PDFs to videos, audio files, and more. Gone are the days of slogging through lengthy articles or watching hour-long videos. AnySummary.app saves you valuable time by swiftly generating concise summaries of your files. It's like having your own personal summarization assistant at your fingertips. Whether you're a busy professional, a student with piles of research material, or simply someone who wants to extract key information efficiently, AnySummary.app is a game changer. You can effortlessly upload your files and watch as the tool works its magic, generating summaries that capture the essence of the content. Moreover, AnySummary.app offers customization options, allowing you to tailor the summary to your specific needs. With AnySummary.app, the time-consuming task of digesting large volumes of information becomes a breeze. Say hello to efficiency and bid farewell to information overload. Try AnySummary.app today and unlock a whole new level of productivity. PalmyNow.com. Calling all dog lovers and avid travelers. Get ready to discover the ultimate travel companion for you and your furry friend. Introducing PalmyNow.com, a website that offers an exceptional AI tool designed specifically for dog-friendly travel planning. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect destinations or attractions that accommodate your four-legged companion, this tool is an absolute game-changer. With PalmyNow.com's AI dog-friendly travel planner, you can bid farewell to the hassle of scouring through endless travel guides or uncertain online reviews. Simply select your dog's breed, choose the type of activity you have in mind, provide your dog's age, and enter your desired destination. Within moments, the AI generates a personalized itinerary tailored to your dog's needs and preferences. From picturesque dog-friendly beaches to pet-friendly parks and restaurants, PalmyNow.com ensures that your travel experience with your furry friend is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're planning a short getaway or a lengthy adventure, this innovative tool takes the guesswork out of finding the best dog-friendly spots. Explore the world with your faithful companion by your side, thanks to PalmyNow.com's AI dog-friendly travel planner. Happy travels! MedGPT. If you're seeking reliable and comprehensive information about medications and medical conditions, look no further than MedGPT. MedGPT is an extraordinary AI tool that provides in-depth descriptions and details for any drug or medical condition you enter. Say goodbye to uncertainty and make informed decisions about your health with this powerful resource. Whether you're curious about a particular medication side effects, safety profile, or dosage guidelines, MedGPT has got you covered. Simply enter the name of the drug or medical condition you want to learn more about, and within seconds, MedGPT will present you with a wealth of knowledge. With MedGPT, you can ensure that you're equipped with essential information before taking any new medication. It empowers you to have meaningful conversations with your healthcare provider, enabling you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Stay informed, stay proactive, and let MedGPT be your trusted guide in navigating the world of medications and medical conditions. Subject Line Generator. Crafting an attention-grabbing subject line for your emails can be a daunting task, but fear not, the Subject Line Generator is here to save the day. This remarkable AI tool takes the guesswork out of creating captivating subject lines that make your emails stand out in crowded inboxes. Whether you're writing a resignation notice, a sales pitch, or a follow-up email, the Subject Line Generator is your go-to resource. Simply enter your email content, select the language and emojis you want to use, and let the AI work its magic. In a matter of seconds, you'll be presented with a selection of compelling subject lines that pack a punch. No more staring at a blank screen, struggling to find the right words. The Subject Line Generator takes your email's purpose and transforms it into catchy, attention-grabbing subject lines. Say goodbye to email subject line stress and hello to increased open rates and engagement. Let this powerful tool be your secret weapon in captivating your recipients from the very first line. Brandition.com. When it comes to naming your business, simplicity and memorability are key. That's where Brandition comes in. This incredible AI-powered business name generator takes the hassle out of brainstorming by providing you with a range of catchy and brandable business name ideas. Whether you're starting a task management company, launching a new app, or building a brand from scratch, Brandition has got you covered. Simply enter a brief description of your business or the industry you're in, hit go, and watch as the AI generates a list of unique and memorable business names. What sets Brandition apart is its ability to create names that not only sound great, but also rhyme with each other. This adds a touch of creativity and cohesion to your brand's identity. Say goodbye to hours of frustrating brainstorming sessions and let Brandition do the work for you. Choose a name that captures the essence of your business and leaves a lasting impression on your target audience. AISocialBio.com. Crafting a compelling social media bio can be a challenge, especially when you want to concisely convey your expertise and interests. That's where AI Social Bio comes to the rescue. This powerful tool utilizes artificial intelligence to help you create an attention-grabbing social media bio effortlessly. To get started, simply enter keywords that represent your niche or profession, such as marketing, content creation, or money-making online. AI Social Bio will then analyze your input and generate a concise and impactful bio for your social media profiles. But here's when it gets even more interesting. You can choose an influencer whose bio inspires you, like Serena Williams. An AI Social Bio will take inspiration from their style and structure to create a bio that stands out. The result is a professionally crafted social media bio that effectively communicates your skills and interests, helping you make a strong impression on your audience and potential connections. Say goodbye to struggling with what to write in your bio and let AI Social Bio do the heavy lifting for you. Radar.io. Radar.io offers an impressive suite of social media management tools, and one standout feature is their AI post generator. This innovative tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to help you create engaging and captivating social media posts effortlessly. Whether you're managing Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms, the AI post generator simplifies the process of content creation. Simply specify a topic or keyword such as self-care tips and choose the source for media content such as Pixabay. With a click of a button, the AI algorithm starts generating a variety of post ideas, complete with eye-catching images, compelling headlines, and engaging text. This tool is a game-changer for social media managers and content creators as it streamlines the process of brainstorming and designing posts. With multiple versions of posts available, you can select the ones that resonate most with your brand and audience. The AI post generator saves you precious time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your social media strategy while consistently delivering high-quality content that drives engagement and growth. Taggy.com. Taggy is a remarkable tool that utilizes AI to simplify the process of creating captivating captions and hashtags for your social media posts. Coming up with engaging captions and relevant hashtags can be time-consuming and challenging. With Taggy, you can streamline this process and enhance the impact of your posts. Using Taggy is straightforward. You simply upload an image and the tool generates potential captions and accompanying hashtags for your posts. Whether you're sharing a product image, travel photo, or personal snapshot, Taggy's AI algorithms analyze the image and provide you with relevant and creative suggestions. By using Taggy, you can save time and ensure your captions are attention-grabbing and aligned with the content of your image. The tool provides a range of caption options, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your post's tone and purpose. Additionally, the suggested hashtags help increase the visibility and discoverability of your posts on social media platforms. Taggy empowers you to enhance the effectiveness of your social media presence, making it an invaluable tool for individuals, influencers, and businesses seeking to optimize their online engagement. Photofix.app. Photofix is an incredible tool that utilizes AI technology to restore and enhance old or damaged photos. If you have cherished photographs that have become faded, blurred, or suffered from other forms of deterioration, Photofix can work wonders. The process is simple. Just upload the image you want to restore, and Photofix's powerful AI algorithms get to work. Whether the original image is blurry, has scratches, or lacks clarity, a tool can effectively repair and enhance it. Within seconds, you'll witness a remarkable transformation as Photofix removes blurriness, reduces noise, and improves overall image quality. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to preserve their precious memories and breathe new life into old photographs. Whether you're working with vintage family photos, wedding pictures, or even professional images, Photofix can help you restore them to their former glory. With its intuitive interface and impressive results, Photofix makes it easy for anyone to bring back the beauty and vibrancy of their treasured photos. WatchThis.dev. The last tool on our list is WatchThis.dev, a fantastic resource that leverages AI to provide movie and TV show recommendations. If you're tired of spending hours browsing through countless options for your movie nights, this tool is here to help. With WatchThis.dev, you can select whether you want a movie or TV show recommendation. Then, you have the option to specify your preferences by choosing different categories that interest you. The AI algorithm will curate a personalized list of recommendations based on your selections. This tool is a game changer for movie enthusiasts and TV show aficionados who struggle with decision making. Instead of wasting time debating what to watch, WatchThis.dev takes the guesswork out of the equation and offers tailored suggestions to suit your preferences. Whether you're in the mood for comedy, drama, action, or any other genre, this tool will provide you with a diverse range of options to explore. Say goodbye to indecisiveness and hello to an enjoyable and hassle-free entertainment experience with WatchThis.dev. Sadly, that's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.